Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to the Kautilya Academy, Pune. Okay, the students who are watching might be at college state or might have completed their college. So they are thinking of their future job. Means they want to reach from this step to this step job. So Kautilya Academy provides you the ladder from where you can move from this step to here. How? You are thinking of which exam I need to pursue and what I need to do. If you are thinking of the bank exam and SSC exam, you are thinking of the syllabus. What to study and what not to study, how to study and what preference I have to study, whether I have to singly prepare for SSC or bank and other exams like LIC and NABARD and FCI. So here's the answer of all your questions in this video. So what you need to do is to analyze the syllabus like analyze the exams which that authority conduct in a year. Like in a calendar year, the number of bank exams: SBI PO, SBI clerk, IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, RRB PO, regional rural banks PO and clerk level, RBI grade and RBI assistant. And another exams like SEBI Security Exchange Board of India, NABARD, National Agriculture Bank, LIC, FCI. These all are central government highly paid and reputed job which you are dreaming for. And SSC. There are 3 levels: SSC, CGL, CHSL and GD. Then what's the difference and what's the common in this? So answer is, for all these 3 exams, SBI, PO and all these 3, you need to prepare yourself for maths, reasoning and English. And in SSC, with all these 3, you need to prepare yourself with GK. These are the foundation subjects which can help you to crack your bank as well as SSC exams. Now we move towards the syllabus. So what's the syllabus? How it is common? Let's check all these. See, phases of exam. One must study the pattern. All the bank exam comprise of like prelims, first step, then mains and then interview. If you are at prelims, that means starting, you need to prepare yourself with maths, reasoning and English. In mains, the difference is there. All the 3 exams we have just read in the earlier slide, like SBI, PO and clerk level, RRB, फिर अपना IBPS, PO and clerk level, all the 3 exams have same pattern at the prelims level. But the difference there is in mains. You can see here, for all the prelims exam like SBI, IBPS, RRB, RBI, these all comprise of reasoning, syllabus comprise of aptitude, reasoning and English. The difference is in the second phase, mains examination, like maths, reasoning, English, GA and CA, general awareness and current affairs. And RRB, in mains exam, in RRB there is computer as well as English. And it's in prelims level, it is only maths and reasoning. So means you have to study the computer, English, maths and English. अगर हम देखा जाए तो कितने सब्जेक्ट पढ़ना है? Mathematics, reasoning, English and computer for all these umbrella exams. So let's discuss in the depth with all the mathematics and syllabus. Starting with the reasoning.